Hey guys, come on in. I know this video is a little different, but I was scrolling on YouTube and I ran across a channel that said you can get paid to watch ads. I say, why not? I'm not doing anything. I spent a lot of money for the holidays, but as we all know, this isn't something that you can quit your job and do, but it's something you can do in your spare time, when you have anything else to do, when you're not busy, or if you just want to try it out and see how much you can make. So what you'll do is you'll go to your Play Store, Apple Store, and download Paid Work. So once you do that, then the game can get going. So now we're going to see what we do next. Once you download it, then you'll go to registration. You will click registration. You will put in your email and then you'll make a password up. Then you'll press continue and then it'll ask you to put your first and last name. And then after that, then you will click on continue. Now let's see what we have to do next. It's coming up really soon. Okay, then you will choose your gender, press register. Now I have the two mixed up. It's supposed to be after you register, then you will have to verify your account and then you'll put your email in. But for some reason I entered it in backwards, but that's the steps. So once you get on the app, then you'll go to earn. Once you get to earn, and then as you can see, there's nothing there. This is when I first tried it out. We're gonna go to earn and we're gonna go down. You can play games, you can do surveys, you can watch videos. We're going to click watch videos. Then we're going to click fiber. It's like part of the requirements. Then it says, oh, there's no videos. Well, guess what? We're still going to press it. So let's press start watching videos because we want to try things out. So as you can see, the video is going. You have to watch the entire video in order to get compensated. Now, from my understanding, it's 1 cent per every video. So like I said previously, it's not you're going to make a whole bunch of money here. That's not the case, but it's something to do in your spare time when you don't have anything else to do, or if you just want to challenge yourself and see how much you can make in a day. That's also fun as well. But as you can see, the video is still going on, so it's almost done. Okay, now it's to the point to where it says, hey, you either can download it if you like the ad you just watched or go forward, moving forward. As you can see, we have 1 cent. Woohoo! So, hey, we did get the 1 cent. So now we're going to go back to earn again, and we're going to try it again just to see if it really works. As again, it says no more ads, but we're going to click. We're not a robot because we're not. So we're going to click it. We're going to click all our bicycles. Now, after I did my first one, I did go ahead and do several more to see if it worked before I brought this to you guys. And we'll see. We'll see when we get where we're going. We'll see. So as we see, it's the same ad. So it can be tedious at times. But if you want to challenge yourself and say, okay, I'm going to make $5 today. That's a challenge. So that'll make you want to watch the ads, or and also you can find new games that you like by watching the ads. I've actually found a game that I like by just watching the ads. So I mean, it's worth a try. I mean, you won't make a fortune, you can't quit your job, but I mean, it's some side pocket money for you. So the video is about to come to an end, and then it added on a second ad for us. So let's check it out. I actually like playing games like this, guys. I live in Florida, so I play lottery a lot. I do scratch offs, I do all type of things. So this is definitely a game that I was looking at like, okay, seems like fun, seems like you can win real money. So the ad has 13 seconds left. So comment down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys think it's worth it? Would you try it? Or you like, no, Sin, I don't know, I don't have time. Or yes, Sin, I want the challenge. I want the challenge. It just depends on how you feel. Once again, I'll ask you, do you want to download the game? As you can see, I've already downloaded the game. So let's go ahead and watch another video. I was trying to test to see if I can keep pressing it to keep doing videos to see how much I can earn. So I did a few videos and then I ended up at 8 cents after I kept watching the videos. Now I will say this, guys, when I got to 8 cents, it's like it stopped. So I was like, okay, what's going on here? So I started going around, messing around in the different settings. As you can see here, there's no dollars in here yet. I guess it goes by dollars. Well, of course it goes by dollars. So there's nothing to show there at all. But what I want to say is, guys, it's something that you can do in your spare time. I mean, why not? Like, I watched several videos. I watched this lady that I really watch a lot. She has very great content, and I loved her content. And so she posted that. I said, well, you know, she's pretty accurate with everything, so I tried it out. And so I did go up to 8 cents, but then it stopped me at 8 cents. I'm not saying that it does not work well. I didn't play with it too much to really find out. But when I got to 8 cents, it didn't want to go any further. So I was like, okay, let me go back and watch my girl and see what she say about that. But as you can see, it works. And I'm not saying that it will stop for you at 8 cents. It just stopped for me. I don't know if I can do so many posts, so many minutes. I don't know. But I will try it again, and I will try to see. So comment down below if you have heard of paid work. Comment down below if you have tried paid work. Comment down below if you like paid work, if you don't like paid work. And like I said, I will try again to see if I can get myself over that 8 cents. As you can see, it's showing that you pretty much make 1 cent per video. So if you're trying to make some money, think about that. But like I said, guys, I just tried it out. It's a way to make money. It's slow, steady money. Nothing that you can just say, oh, let me go. I want to buy a new car, or I want to quit my job. Don't quit your job. And you can save up for a new car, but it will take a little bit more time than you expect, okay? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below. I really want to know, what do you guys think? And like I said, I will continue to try the app myself and see if I can get past these little 8 cents, because I'm at 8 cents. My honest, true review, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.